Fully automatic grid knife testing machine. The fully automatic crosscut test machine is a testing device used to assess the adhesion of coatings. It usually has a PLC control system that can automatically adjust the engraving parameters. It evaluates the adhesion performance of the coating by drawing a specific grid pattern on the coating and then assessing it through scratching or peeling. It can adapt to test pieces of different thicknesses and perform parallel and cross-scribing, meeting various testing standards.